So in this video, you'll learn how to create a Do Not Disturb schedule on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to schedule Do Not Disturb so that it activates and deactivates at certain times of the day, then what you're going to do is just navigate to Settings, and then under Settings, you're going to scroll and select Notifications. Under Notifications, you're then going to tap on Do Not Disturb, and then the first step is to enable this feature. So just tap on the toggle to turn it on. Once it's been turned on, you should then see an already created custom schedule for sleeping. So if you want to create your own schedule for Do Not Disturb, so instead of using the schedule for sleep mode, so that whenever this is enabled, Do Not Disturb is only available or turned on during sleep mode, then what you're going to do is select Add Schedule. Then you're going to give this schedule a name. And then from here, you're going to choose when you want it to repeat. Now, by default, it's set to every day, but you can go ahead and deselect some days so that it's only set for those specific days. Then you can choose your time period. So tap on Set Time, and then choose your start time, and then choose your end time. Once you've done that, just select Done to save the changes for your timestamp, and then you're going to tap on Save to apply the changes. So now, Do Not Disturb will be activated on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 6:12 a.m. the next day. And so now, I can just close the Settings app, and my phone will now start following that schedule whenever it enters Do Not Disturb mode. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process, then leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.